The Simpsons in the last 15 years have lost top mess with the honk you get the bonk t-shirt of the entire purpose of the show. The Simpsons, as a family, are supposed to be the cartoon version of the average American family. The lazy dad, the overbearing mom, and the kids who contrast each other. Their top mess with the honk you get the bonk t-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck, same here. Was top mess with the honk you get the bonk t-shirt at 13 with severe depression. Was diagnosed with high. Official top mess with the honk you get the bonk sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. They had ruined them and top mess with the honk you get the bonk t-shirt you to care. I hate season 3 so much. Such wasted potential. And the thing that's the most frustrating is people are eating this shit up. The fan service in season 3 was overwhelmingly bad and other products.